how to backup and restore Viber messages. In today's video, we're going to show you how to backup and restore your Viber messages, whether you're switching to a new phone or just want to make sure your messages are safely stored. I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's open the Viber app on your device. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. To start the backup process, simply tap on the More icon, scroll down and go to Settings. Simply tap on Account and here you can find Viber Backup and simply click on Backup Now. This will start the backup of your messages, photos and other media. The time it takes depends on how much data you have. You'll see a progress bar while it's backing up. As you can see, it's 70% now. Now once the backup is complete, you'll see the last backup date and time to confirm everything is safely stored. And that's how you backup your Viber messages. Now let's move on to restoring those messages. Restoring your Viber messages is just as easy. To restore your backup, make sure you sign into the same iCloud or Google Drive. And what you need to do is install Viber on new device and open the Viber app on your new device and log into it using your phone number. You'll need to verify your number with a code sent via SMS, and simply once you're logged in, Viber will prompt you to restore your messages from a backup. Simply tap on Restore when asked, and that's how you backup and restore your Viber messages.